I'm sorry, they are so pissed off. But we are having Kadak Vasla, right?
Sev puri, bhel and some kurkure.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as always, first of all, this is my gallery area. So you can see how cool it is, all plants and greenery. Yeah, so coming back to the point. So today we are going to a new place near Pune and it's called the Peacock Bay, and it will be a surprise for my friends who wanted to go somewhere today. So I told them I know something about this place, let's go there. And but I did not tell where we are going exactly because they'll search for the place and they'll see and कुछ रहेगा नहीं मज़ा उसमें. So this is a surprise thing for them, and it will take around an hour. And it's called Peacock Bay because it's said that there are a lot of peacocks found in that particular area, and it's a part of Khadakwasla Dam, but it is owned by NDA. So in this particular bay, you will see there are trainings carried out for the cadets, and all the equipments needed for training them are available over there. They have made it specifically for them, and it's really very beautiful. So we will start now, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Bye. And yeah, just have a look of my cool outfit today. Yeah, cholo, let's start now. Come on. Snehal, Pranali, how was the surprise?
Surprising. Very much surprising.
Why?
I won't come with you.
You will not come with me. She's saying she will not come with me because हम लोग नहीं गए Peacock Bay पे, and when we went there we got to know that it is closed on Saturdays.
We are not allowed to go inside without NDA people.
So, but we are having Kadak Vasla, right? We will enjoy over there. I'm so sorry. And now we have come at Kadak Vasla finally.
It was Saturday morning.
What?
Saturday morning.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll take you to Khadakwasla Dam and we'll drink something. We'll eat something over there. I can see there are a lot of stalls. I'm sorry, they are so pissed off because it is so sunny today and the climate very sunny, and क्या बोल सकते हैं, धूप से मर गए हैं बाइक चला चला के. ऊपर से हमें गूगल मैप्स ने रास्ता रॉन्ग बताया. हम लोग घूमते रह गए, किसी गांव से अंदर गए और फिर वापस बाहर आए. सो इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट. ओके, घूमना जाना है तो इतना तो तैयारी चाहिए. काय प्यायचं? पाणी, लिंबू पाणी. नींबू पानी. Why? इतनी थक गई तो स्नेहल
To stay hydrated.
इतना डिहाइड्रेट कर दिया मैंने तुम लोगों को, इतना ज़्यादा.
तुमने मुझे गाड़ी पे ऐसे पीछे.
इट्स ओके, वी विल हैव नींबू पानी या तो जूस. ओके, मत चीड़ो. फोटोज देखो, उधर मस्त दिख रहा है, उधर फोटोज देखो. Manu. How's the rose? Is that the rose?
Hello friends.
Hello friends. Juice पीना. You're happy now? Very happy, right?
बड़ा नहीं बोल.
आता बोल. And now it's time for some food. So this is Shev Puri, bhel and some kurkure, and I can see they have put kachi keri on this, which looks yummy. I don't know if it will actually be yummy or not. ए फिस्पा करके ले फिस्पा. हाँ करना. आता कसं वाटतं?
छान वाटतं.
नाईस, व्हेरी नाईस. So you can see it looks very beautiful over here, but it's too sunny, too hot. But that's fine. हमने कुछ drinks लिए and खाया कुछ लाइट ही खाया, ज़्यादा कुछ हैवी नहीं. काय बघते है ये? एंड ये लोग अभी पानी में उतर गए हैं. मुझे नहीं उतरना बिकॉज आई हैव वोर माई शूज़. एंड दैट्स इट. सो failed plan finally turned out a little better, and I don't know. काय बघते? My गरीब beauties who came here for some happiness. So Snehal and Panu, how was it? How was it?
What do you think?
Very nice, I know. How was it? Dope. Huh? Dope? Dope.
So
So it was a bit exhausting, disappointing, but we spent time, right? That was what mattered, correct? So it was nice. So if you love this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow my page on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye. Also
accept request.